ZOOMLINE's mobile continuous asphalt plant is an innovative and efficient solution designed specially for asphalt production. With its exceptional flexibility and high efficiency, this mobile device offers numerous advantages. To achieve efficient production, the ZOOMLINE mobile continuous asphalt plant starts with a customized chassis design that adheres to the local transportation regulations. This allows for quick relocation between different job sites, making equipment installation and dismantling more convenient and cost-effective. By minimizing downtime, projects can be initiated properly, expediting production and enhancing overall work efficiency. In addition to its mobility, the ZOOMLINE mobile continuous asphalt plant inherits the benefit of traditional fixed asphalt plants. We tailor the production capacity to meet the specific requirements of its customers, ensuring compatibility with projects of various scales. The ZAP C40i features an integrated frame design with 3 aggregate feeders, a drying drum, a back filter, and a load-out elevator among its main components, all compactly assembled on one frame for easy transportation. The aggregate feeders are equipped with belt scales controlled by a frequency converter, ensuring precise measurement of aggregates and allowing for the adjustment of the proportions of each type of stone as needed. The plant incorporates a specially designed drying drum and burner, which not only save fuel but also deliver excellent drying and mixing results. Furthermore, an efficient backhouse dust collector is integrated to meet environmental emission standards. Transportation is made easier with the mobile fuel and asphalt tanks, facilitating quick deployment of the plant. The precise asphalt metering system guarantees the quality of asphalt mixtures, ensuring consistent and reliable performance. The ZOOMLINE mobile continuous asphalt plant is equipped with a fully automated control system, making operation simple and user-friendly. Users can quickly grasp the equipment's uses and ensure safe operation. The plant is built with dedicated industrial hardware capable of withstanding harsh environments. It also offers automated production record keeping and data tracing capabilities, whether for larger-scale projects or small-scale ventures. It is well equipped to meet your specific requirements.